In physics and chemistry, the Faraday constant, denoted by the symbol F and named after Michael Faraday, is the magnitude of electric charge per mole of electrons. It has the currently accepted value, 9.64853399, 24, x 104 c mol 1. The constant F has a simple relation to two other physical constants, where A per mole A 1.6021766 A, 10 in 19 a C, nor per mole A 6.022141 A, 1023 a molar 1. Na is the Avogadro constant, and E is the elementary charge or the magnitude of the charge of an electron. This relation is true because the amount of charge of a mole of electrons is equal to the amount of charge in one electron multiplied by the number of electrons in a mole. One common use of the Faraday constant is electrolyses. One can divide the amount of charge in coulombs by the Faraday constant in order to find the amount of the element that has been oxidized. The value of F was first determined by weighing the amount of silver deposited in an electrochemical reaction in which a measured current was passed for a measured time, and using Faraday's law of electrolyses. Research is continuing into more accurate ways of determining the interrelated constants F, Na, and E. Other common units of Faraday's constant, 96,485 J per volt gram equivalent, 23.061 kilocalories per volt gram equivalent, 26.801 hour per mole. Faraday unit of charge, related to Faraday's constant is the Faraday, a unit of electrical charge. It is much less common than the coulomb, but sometimes used in electrochemistry. 1 Faraday of charge is the magnitude of the charge of 1 mole of electrons, that is 96,485.3365. 21, a C. Expressed in Faradays, the Faraday constant F equals 1 Faraday of charge per mole. This Faraday unit is not to be confused with a farad, an unrelated unit of capacitance. Popular media, The Simpsons episode Dark Knight Court has Mr. Burns asking comic book guy how much he wants for his entire comic book inventory. He says the speed of light expressed as dollars, and Mr. Burns says to Smithers, give him Faraday's constant. The check is written for $96,485.34. See also, Faraday cage, Faraday efficiency, Faraday's law of electrolysis, Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. References